Hi everyone. So if you are going for the PGCIL interview for the CSC branch, then one subject that is called database management system is very important. In database management system, we are dealing with the main 4 or 5 chapters, that is the normalization, transaction, queries, ER model. So again keep in mind, my dear students, the SQL queries, transaction and normalization is the most important topic from the DBMS. In this video, I am going to tell you the actual interview questions which already asked in PGCIL interview. As you know, Yourpedia is the largest platform for the interview preparations. And many of our past students already joined PGCIL, and based on their experience, I am going to get you like the actual interview questions of DBMS. So in DBMS, first of all, you need to know what is database and what is database management system and how it is different from the previous file system. You need to know a comparative study of file system and database management system. What type of benefits or advantage we are going to get if we use DBMS over file system. Then you have to know the architecture of DBMS and how DBMS work. We have 3 level of hierarchy, you know each and every one. If you don't know, then please refer some standard books and try to get the information related to the architecture. Then different type of DBMS, that is very important, which DBMS or which DBMS we are going to use in the cloud services. Next, again the most important topic, that is normalization. What is the problem with the redundancy? So for that we are going to use normalization, and then different forms of normalization. Keep in mind, my dear students, many a times students only learn 1, 2, 3 and BCNF, but you have to know the 4NF and 5NF definitions also. Then what is SQL? What are the different commands in SQL that may be related to DDL, DML, then DTL and DCL. Fine. Next, acid properties. And next, acid property, consistency and isolation are the most important topic. Sometimes they ask you how to achieve the durability, how to achieve the consistency, how to achieve the isolations. So that is again important questions. Then we have different type of keys that may be related to primary key, candidate key, super key and foreign key. We have to know the basic differences and their definitions of each and every key. Then join is again an important questions in SQL. Then for the security purpose in DBMS, we know we are using the concept of view, that is virtual table. So how actual virtual table works, what is the different commands for the actual view concept. Then define the different types of database storage engines again. And in DBMS, even though while preparing for the GATE, we are not learned about or aware about the triggers and the stored procedure and the checkpoints. So keep in mind, my dear students, sometimes they ask, even most of the times they ask the question related to stored procedure, related to trigger and related to checkpoints. Next, deadlock, problems with the deadlock, how to detect and prevent the deadlock, and the backup strategy. This is very important. Describe the different type of database backup strategies. Next, the concept of data integrity we know, and what are the different type of database anomalies. And keep in mind, my dear students, be comfortable with the writing the SQL queries. Sometimes they may ask you to give you some problems and you need to write the SQL queries. So these are the actual interview questions of database management system for PGCIL student. Fine. And my dear students, if you want to join the PGCIL interview, dedicated interview module, then you can contact to Yourpedia executives. As you know, like to qualify the interview, you have like to be confident. Some parameters are there, like you have to beautify your answer, you have to deliver your answer with full confidence. So for that, what you have to do is you have to give more and more snap, you have to rehearse more and more mocks. And for that, you can join Yourpedia Education dedicated interview module for PGCIL. Still you have any query, please contact to Yourpedia. Thank you.